Hello, welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is mushroom and cashew curry. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. I thought I'd post this video before my wife dragged me out on my daily lockdown walk. So here you go. Okay, first we heat the butter and oil in a suitably sized frying pan until it's nice and hot. Then we add the cinnamon, black and green cardamoms, clove, cumin seeds, and of course the dried red chillies. Then fry these off for a minute or two. When this is done, add the cashew nuts to the pot and keep stirring around for another minute or two. Then it's time to add the onions. Continue to fry the onions off until they take on quite a bit of colour. You want it to look like this at the start and keep frying until it looks something like this. When it does, it's time to add in the garlic and ginger paste and again mix through. Continue to fry for a further 1 minute. Then it's time to add the ground cumin, ground coriander, turmeric and chilli powder and give it a good mix through. Next we sprinkle over the gram flour and again mix in. Continue to cook the gram flour out for 2 or 3 minutes and then it's time to add in the tomatoes. Incorporate the tomatoes really well, then add salt and pepper to taste, a splash of water and put the lid on and cook for 7 minutes. This starts to soften up the tomatoes. When the 7 minutes is up, remove the lid and you should have something that looks like this. Then it's time to add the star of the show, the mushrooms. Simply put the mushrooms in the pan and mix in well. Then stir in another splash of water, put the lid on the pan and cook for a further 5 minutes. When the 5 minutes are up, simply remove the lid from the pan and continue to cook until the right consistency you want is achieved. And there you have it, cashew and mushroom curry. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Stay safe. Bye for now.